Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Search Console account. This is an essential tool for anyone managing a website, as it helps you monitor your site's performance in Google search results and identify any issues that might be affecting your visibility. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to search.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll begin setting up your account. Now, here's the good news. Creating a Google Search Console account is actually quite simple. The only requirement is that you need to have an existing Google account. If you already use Gmail or any other Google service, you're all set. If not, you'll need to create one first, but that's a quick process that takes just a few minutes. On the login screen, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Type in your Gmail address here and click Next. This step verifies which Google account you want to associate with Search Console. Make sure you're using the email address that you want linked to your website monitoring, as this will be the account that receives all notifications and reports about your site's performance. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your Gmail password carefully and then click Next again. Google might take a moment to verify your credentials, so just be patient while the page processes your login information. And that's it. You've now successfully created your Google Search Console account. The platform will likely guide you through some initial setup steps, such as adding your first website property and verifying ownership, but the account itself is now active and ready to use. From here, you can start monitoring your website's search performance, submit sitemaps, and gain valuable insights into how users find your content through Google Search. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.